This tutorial will show you how to upload multiple files at once into Moodle. So you can take a folder that has a bunch of files in it, and you can put as many files as you want to. Of course, the more files you do, the longer this process takes. So I would be a little reasonable, no more than a couple of 100 MB at a time. But you can see in this folder I have 4 or 5 assorted documents: PDF, an image file, a Word document. And I'm using a Mac, so a Mac zip files just slightly differently than a Windows. So what I would do is I would take my folder called a bunch of files, and I'm going to right click on it. And I'm right click on it, and a dialog box appears that says compress and the name of the folder. So I'm going to click there, and that will create this zip file .zip. Now on a Windows, you right click on the folder you want to zip, and then a dialog box opens that says send to compressed zip folder. So it's the same action, just slightly different wording, slightly different dialog box. But both will produce what's called a .zip or zip folder on your desktop. And then here is that zip folder, and that's the one I am going to upload into Moodle. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my Moodle course. I'm going to turn editing on. You can see that in the top right corner there. And now once I have turned editing on, I'm just going to take that zip folder and drag it right into Moodle. You can see that when you start to drag it, this little plus sign appears, and you just hover your zip folder. Then you'll get a dialog box right here that says unzip it and create the folder. Yes, and there it is. And you click on that folder, and you'll see the contents of the folder is the way the students would. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the main area of the course. We're going to change the name of the folder from a bunch of files by clicking on the little pencil there and type it in something more appropriate, like important course documents. And then once we type it in, then we hit the enter key, and the name is changed.